Hi, good morning everyone. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the business process of cross-docking. Okay, you would have seen the sentence called cross-dock, what is this dock, and what is exactly the cross-docking process. Cross-dock process. So generally what happens, the technically we can see EWM has a very good solution, and in case of WM you need some customization. So these are all technical point of view, but what is the exactly business process, let us try to understand today. We have a customer, we have customer, and there is a vendor. Vendor and customer. Here is our company. This is our company where we are implementing, or where if you are end user we are working, and if you are a consultant, is here our client. So whenever what is the normal process, we procure from the vendor, and we keep the stocking. We procure from the vendor, the stock will come to company, and then company will give to customer. So the company has a warehouse, and when the materials are received, the material stock will be kept in the company warehouse. After that it will be sent to the customer. That is a normal process we see. So here what happens in the cross-dock concept, when the stock comes to warehouse, for example, there is a purchase order, and vendor has sent you the goods here. Okay, so during the receipt, for example, let's take it, this is the material, maybe a pallet, this material, okay, you receive the material. So during cross-dock concept, system will check for this material, is there any shipment, means is there any open outbound deliveries, or the sales order. Mainly outbound delivery is a confirmation, right? So any outbound deliveries which needs to be shipped today afternoon or tomorrow, the business can take a decision what is the time they want to check it. For example, they want to check today, if I receive any material, I want to check is there any shipment, means is there any outbound till today 10 p.m. or else till tomorrow 10 a.m. So they will give a threshold, ETA, estimated time of dispatching, or estimated time of arrival for the receiving, and estimated time of dispatching. If they have based on the date, based on the picking date, they will verify. So if this material A has an outbound which needs to be sent today at 10 p.m. So today morning the vendor has sent you, and the material is received at around 11 a.m. and today night itself we have a shipment. So to avoid this material and create pin, then go to the, you have a warehouse. Okay, there is a big warehouse you have, so where storage bins are there. Normally this is the warehouse. So normally what happens, system will propose the bin based on the available space, and the material will be kept in the bin. That's a normal process. In case of cross-dock, this material will be kept in the cross-dock area. The business can allocate one place, the name is a cross-dock area. So if any material has open shipment, means ready to ship today night, or based on the time which is given in the given by the business, this material will be kept in the cross-dock area. So this box will come to cross-dock area. So when you during the shipment, you have a shipment, right? So this, from this cross-dock area, the business will do the picking, and then whatever loading, picking, if they have a packing, then loading, and sent to customer. So the crossdock concept is mainly to save the time of receiving the material to the bin. After that, create pick list. The pick list will tell you the bin. Already one person has put you the what you call with the forklift. He came with the forklift and put it, and also they used some kind of cranes to keep it in high rack. Okay, during picking again, another person, the picking team will come and take this material and moving for this picking and all. To avoid that time, this cross dock area will be helpful for you to reduce the put away time and picking time. For example, there are 10 pallets are received, and based on the quantity and 10 pallets to put away and picking, overall you are able to save at least 1.5 to 2 hours of time. Okay, that's what the importance of cross dock area. But we need to tell the business that if you want to use cross dock area, your easing, the first in first out will be impacted, because there is already stock which is received from in November 22, 2022 or December 22, like that, but you are sending the stock which was received in April 2023. The new stock we are sending to customer, the old stock is still in the warehouse. That point we need to explain to the business. If you want to use cross dock concept, your FIFO will be impacted, so that the business can take a decision that whether the aging stock is more important for them or reducing the process like the put away picking, that is important. Business can take a decision. They can ask you like I think Ganesh, we have these kind of materials. I think these 50 materials or these 100 materials or these material groups, we want this cross stock, and we don't want for any stock. Okay, because few of the stock we want to always remove the oldest stock. The business can say you like, we always wanted to receive the oldest stock. So they may ask you like for certain kind of material groups only we want cross dock, and all the materials let's follow the normal process, because we want to remove the aging stock but not the latest stock. So certain kind of food products or certain kind of liquids or chemicals, aging will play the role, because if you are keeping the stock for a long time, there may be chances of damaging or other quality issues. If you take certain kind of engineering products and all, the lifetime, the shelf life is more. For those materials, maybe you can use the cross dock. So that's what the consulting you need to do. What are the benefits and what are the consequences? Everything you need to explain during the design of the process, so that business can take a decision which is suitable for them. It's not something like okay, cross dock is saving time, so let's do for all the materials. Like I mentioned that for food products or chemicals, it may not be suitable. So this is the way how you can explain to the business about the cross dock. I hope this will be giving you an idea that how to explain to the business and how to make them understand about the process, so that they can take a decision. Thanks for watching. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button. I hope we are going to touch 50,000 very soon with your support. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas and any of these kind of business processes, keep it in comment. So definitely I will plan to make it. Keep watching, keep sharing our videos, because my efforts are same whether the video is watched by 10,000 people or 100,000 people. Let's share knowledge, keep helping each other. Thank you.